Okay, so I have downloaded the data from the website, and this is what it looks like. It comes up and it's two columns, one for quarter, one for shipments. And the first thing I did was split out the year from the quarter. So I inserted a column and I highlighted the first row, or first column, and went to data and did text to columns and delineated, choose next. I chose the hyphen so that it would separate at the quarter and the year. Chose next and finish. And this separated my quarters from my years to make it easier to manipulate the data. And so the data for problem A, where I needed to create a well-formatted time plot for the data using Excel, I chose to put the year first and focus on quarters and shipments. And I highlighted my data and chose insert line chart and chose a line chart to insert. And this is what I ended up looking at here. And it came out similar to, we'll go ahead and just insert one. And it looked very much like this when I first created it. But I wanted to zoom in to give me information for B. So I right-clicked on the area and chose, highlighted the x-axis and chose format sorry, I had to move my thing out of the way. Okay, so highlight this format axis, and then you can do the minimum, which is the 3,500, and the maximum of 5,000. It normally comes up 0 and 6,000, as we saw in the data. 6,000 your maximum, 0 your minimum. But this zooms in 3,500 to 5,000, gives us a much clearer picture. If you can see, this is kind of not too discriminate, and this gives you a better idea of the ups and downs and where the actual data is in which quarter. And so I chose to answer B, and saying that it appears that the second quarter is generally the peak quarter, as you can see here and again here in 88 and 89. The only exception is in 1986, where the third quarter was the peak quarter. The fourth quarter is generally the lowest quarter, with the exception of 1989, which is here. All of the other ones are the low quarter for the year. And I believe this ties up 3.1 A and B.